Ready to transform your daily tasks and workflow with the power of GenAI? Join our 30-day of AI course where every day brings you closer to mastering essential GenAI tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, Gamma App, HeyGen, Midjourney, Leonardo, and more. What can you expect in this course? Each day, you'll explore a new GenAI tool or dive deeper into tools you already know. You will learn to use GenAI in real-world scenarios, both in your work and daily life. Till the end of the course, you will get familiar with the latest AI innovations and discover how to boost productivity, creativity, and efficiency. My name is Anton Voronyuk, and I am an AI and digital marketing expert, a Google Academy trainer, and the CEO of the Digital Marketing Skills Booster Academy. I've designed this course to show you how AI can enhance your productivity and creativity in ways you never imagined. Who is this course for? Anyone who already knows how to use AI but wants to enhance their knowledge. Everybody who is curious about learning new GenAI tools and how to integrate them into daily tasks. Finally, for digital marketers, content creators, social media marketers, and other professionals who want to leverage AI to elevate their work and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you are a beginner or looking to expand your AI knowledge, this course will equip you with practical skills to apply immediately. Enroll now and take the next step toward unlocking the full potential of GenAI in just 30 days.